guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another haul video for you guys today. This one's going to be short and sweet. And the reason is, I did not film when I went to the Amazon bins. We went to the bin store about a couple days, actually the day before New Year's Eve. Me and the middle Yinzer went, my wife and the oldest Yinzer and the baby Yinzer had places to go. So we decided, hey, let's go check out the bin store. Really glad we did. He was running a special where it was 2 items for $5. It was basically $2.50 an item, which, hey, if you dig enough, you can find some stuff. And in our case, we didn't dig a lot, and we still found some stuff that should turn around and make a nice profit. Little backstory though. If you've watched the Walmart clearance video, you guys already know by now, our family has tested positive for COVID again. Well, this was shortly before that we all tested. And honestly, the day we went to the bin store, I had a massive headache. It was honestly probably one of the first times I've ever had a migraine. So I could not focus on the bins just because there was too much going on. I had a really hard time. I was honestly just grabbing stuff and tossing it into our bag. The middle Yinzer found some cool stuff, and I'll tell you what she found here in a second. But we did find some good stuff. I have it all behind me. I don't think you guys can... Nope, you might be able to see now. But we found some good stuff. And I'm going to show you what we found. And I'm going to flash some sold comps on the screen where I can, because some of these items it's harder to find sold comps for. Let's get into it. I'll tell you what we found. So, the middle Yinzer found a ton of poppets. I think it was a grand total. She probably had to have found at least 20 poppets, or poppet phone cases, just poppets. So a ton of them. So she wanted them, they bought them, her and her sister split them, and they paid me for them. So they got to keep all those poppets. So that's where we spent a total of about $48, I think it was. So that's where a lot of those items went. My wife also ended up keeping 2 things out of what we found. One was like a pour over for coffee, and one was actually a pill container. So kind of, that's what she wanted. So she wanted to keep those 2 things out of there. So I'm going to show you what we found here and flash some sold comps. So one of the first things we found in the bins was these hard hats. They are these white, I think they're 3M. Yep, white 3M plastic hard hats, brand new in the package. They sell for about $12 to $15 plus shipping. Some are free shipping. I honestly thought about keeping one of these for my work because I don't have a hard hat at work at the moment. So one of these might sell, one of these I might keep. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's what they sell for. So if I have to get rid of them, I don't think they'll stick around long. I may even list these, if I do, on Facebook Marketplace and sell them locally. One of the next things we found was, whoops, I realized that they were open, but the socks are still there. They are the Adidas Multisport 2 pairs of medium socks, compression fit. These fit shoe sizes 5 to 8.5 for men's, 5 to 9.5 for women's, and 4 youth to 6 for kids. Retail price is about $9. Both pairs of socks are here. They actually still have the connector, like the plastic piece in them right here. You can see that right there. Still has it in it. It's a brand new open package. It's really hard to find some sold comps on eBay for these, but I have a feeling I might list these for about $5 plus shipping, so it should at least pay for 2 items. The next item was this office door sign. I actually took the protective coating like this off of it already because I didn't know what it was underneath of it. So I took off the protective coating. It actually even says the office sign, and I should have read it, but I didn't. These sell, I'm going to flash some comps up there. These go for about $6 to $10 plus shipping. I'm probably going to keep this one and hang it up here at my house, even though I'm not a huge office fan, but it'll still be cool to be up on my door behind me where I work and whatnot. I'll probably list this one. If anybody's watching this and is an office fan, reach out to me. I'll make you guys a good deal on this one. Next up, we have our favorite thing we love to sell. This is a universal keypad for like a wireless entry system. It is brand new open box. Let me double check to make sure it is brand new. I just know it's open box. Yeah, it looks like it's brand new. There we go. I was able to get that open. Yes, it is brand new. Open box. Still has the instructions inside the box also, as you can see down there. So these go for about $20 or more. So we'll get this listed out. Even though the box is in bad shape, somebody will need this. I always check these, even like garage door openers, stuff like that, which actually this is a garage door opener. Check them. Whenever you're out at a yard sale, check them. It will shock you sometimes what these things sell for. And sometimes people will move into a home and they'll have them there and they won't need them. So guess what? They sell them at a yard sale super cheap. I know I picked up a couple before and have listed them, and they've been in some of the videos too. So always double check these garage door openers when you're out there, just because there's always deals to be found with them, and you will not be disappointed when you find them. Sometimes they even sell used too. People are trying to replace ones that they already have. So just double check it, and you could make some money on these. Next up, we have a women's bathing suit. It is a size medium. I actually thought it was another pack of bras that we picked up at the bin store before. It's a brand new bathing suit. It's really hard to find sold comps on this, and I'm not even going to keep trying. I'll list it. Like I said, it is a size medium. It's actually a nice color scheme too. So, but it definitely won't fit me. That was a joke. Next, we have a pair of headphones, and it's really hard to show you a pair of sold comps on these. But the only reason is the Walker Cam IPX7. They're swim with the earplugs. I guess you can swim in them. I'm not 100% sure I would do that. But I have found these at the bins before, and I've sold them previously too. So I pick them up whenever I find them, especially when they're sealed. I tried to look back at what I sold them for previously, and I could not find them. But I think it was right around $10 to $12. So you can easily make 5 to 6 times our money just on these headphones. And last but not least, I am not 100% sure what I was thinking. Really, I don't know what I was thinking at all. I think my head was hurting so bad. But I picked up this pair of fashion boots. They are a size 42 right there. They look new. I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with them. I thought, man, these would be great on Poshmark, but I'm not sure they will be. I still might list them on there, maybe even for $10, and see what happens. Maybe my kids can. I don't know. I really don't know. That might have been one of the bust. And since it happened at the end of last year, we'll chalk that up to the end of last year bust. So far in 2022, we have not had a bust as of right yet, as the filming of this video. But that was what we found at the Amazon bin store. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Sometimes that store can be a great store. Sometimes it could be a total bust. This time was right about in the middle. There was a lot of stuff for $2.50, but like I said, we were just not, I just couldn't focus. It was just one of those days. So we did find some stuff, even though we didn't really need it. But hey, we got some stuff to get listed on eBay to make a small profit. And to start getting these things built up, especially because hopefully in the next few months the weather will turn around and we'll get back to garage sales and yard sales. So if you guys like that video, remember, smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out the channel a ton. And also, last but not least, make sure you're subscribed. And until next time, hit that bell notification for those videos. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.